Hello, welcome to Box Hill Institute, where every day is an open day. I'm here to talk to you today about Passive House courses. So I'm Susan Morris and I'm the manager of the Building Design and Sustainability courses. We offer the Advanced Diploma of Building Design, lots of Passive House courses and exams, building information modelling courses, and also courses on project management for prefabricated building systems, timber. So if you'd like to contact me, the best email around Passive House courses is passivehousinquiries@boxhill.edu.au, and always best to ask for Susan Morris or Irina Tamming when it comes to Passive House questions. So we were the first training provider in Australia to offer Passive House courses. We started back in 2014 and have been providing them every year since. At the moment, we're the only provider in Victoria. We offer the designer and the tradesperson course, as well as introductory courses and other supplementary courses. So to be certified in Passive House, there's a few different things that happen. You can be certified, a house can be certified. A person can be certified in a number of different ways, as a designer or as a consultant and as a tradesperson. There are also building components that can be certified. So what is a certified Passive House designer or consultant? They're somebody that works on Passive House designs to enable the building to take place and become accredited. They use the PHPP, which is the Passive House Planning Package model, and they provide advice and recommendations to help you achieve a Passive House build. So once you've got a design that meets the Passive House standard, it will be certified by a Passive House certifier. At the moment, there are 167 certified designers in Australia, and it's growing year on year. The list is available on the Passive House Institute website, and you can also look at AFA as well. That's the Australian Passive House Association. There's a certification for tradespeople. So it's recommended but not essential that at least one person on a building site for a Passive House build is a certified tradesperson. They'll have a really good understanding of what it takes to ensure Passive House quality. So what I'm going to talk to you a little bit about today is the different ways that you might become certified in Passive House, or if you're not interested in becoming a certified designer, consultant or tradesperson but just want to know more, we also have the Passive House introductory course. So in 2021, we haven't decided all the dates yet, but we're going to give 3 opportunities for people to do the introductory course and 3 opportunities for the designer course. When you're looking at the designer course, there's actually 3 different enrolments. There's a course that's 9 days long, then an exam preparation day for a half a day, or nearly 3/4 of the day actually, and then the exam itself, which is quite a tough exam. It's got a bit of maths, it's got a bit of physics, so that's why we highly recommend a series of courses for people to give them the best possible opportunity to pass that exam and get the accreditation as a Passive House designer. So if you're completely new to Passive House and you haven't been working in that area at all, the recommendation would be do the 3-day Passive House introductory course, do the 9-day Passive House designer course, an exam prep day, and then sit the exam. This year, for the first time, the course and the exam have been offered online, and it's been very successful. And so we'll intend to give ourselves that opportunity to deliver those courses online in 2021. And that means that no matter what happens in 2021, we can guarantee that we can deliver that accreditation to you. The Passive House tradesperson course we run at the Lilydale campus, and that's a 5-day course and then an exam that takes about half a day. So in that one, we're not running that one online, we're running that face-to-face, and it's a hands-on type course, so it's much better suited. So we have that ready to go, and we're doing these courses in 2020. So we have completely filled up the tradesperson course to the maximum, and we have a wait list just in case there's some cancellations. If you are keen to do the Passive House tradesperson course, then contact us and we'll put you on the wait list for the next available course and exam. So we're very near to full for our November designer series. So that's taking place on the 16th to the 26th of November, with the exam prep on the 27th of November, and the designer exam is proposed for the 4th of December, but it may be on a date around then. Because it's online, we need to book in with Passive House Institute in Germany, and they'll give us a time closer to the date to confirm that examination. So we've got some fabulous industry experts. Burkhard Hansen is a Passive House tradesperson. He's a master builder and been working in the Passive House area for many years. His experience is pretty tremendous, and the feedback that we get from our successful Passive House tradespeople running through the course is just tremendous. So Burkhardt's our Passive House tradesperson, and then we've got a whole range of people that help us teach the Passive House Designer Consultant series. So we have Claire Parry, we have Johanna Trickett and Marcus Strang, and together they put together a really interesting and exciting course with some pretty successful and happy people who've achieved their Passive House accreditation. So Johanna and Jessica Hogg offer our 3-day introductory course. All these people work every day of their lives around Passive House. They're experts living and breathing Passive House. So what's happening with Passive House around the world? There's plenty of Passive House things happening internationally, and Passive House has been around for more than 25 years. It first came across to Australia though, much more recently than that. So let's have a look. There's Passive House buildings all across the globe, and quite a few in Australia and New Zealand now. There's a database from the Passive House Institute. Passive House Institute in Germany is the international accrediting body, and so the buildings that achieve Passive House certification become listed, and here's the Australian ones. Not only does the Passive House Institute in Germany list the buildings, they also list the people that are accredited Passive House designers and accredited Passive House tradespeople. So once you become accredited, your name is on a database and people can hunt for you by country, by state, and by locality. It's one of the most rigorous building sustainability standards in the world. It creates extremely thermally efficient buildings and helps reduce energy use globally. So it's suitable for all climate zones, hot, cold, humid climates. Importantly, Passive House is all about human comfort and health. It's a voluntary, low-energy building design standard for new and refurbished buildings. It is not just houses, it's for commercial buildings, it's for hospitals, schools, it's for every type of building. So there are 5 fundamental details that enable buildings to achieve the Passive House standard. Exceptionally high levels of thermal insulation is the first. Well-insulated window frames with double or triple low E glazing. Thermal bridge-free construction. Airtight building envelope. And comfort mechanical ventilation with highly efficient heat recovery. Now, I've made that sound pretty easy, but I tell you what, there's a lot to learn during the 5-day tradesperson course or the 9-day designer course. The fundamentals, though, is that Passive House is a well-established template for ultra-low energy building that is both economical and resource efficient, whilst at the same time providing high levels of occupant comfort and resilience to future climatic changes. So if you'd like to learn more about Passive House, We have that range of courses, the introductory, the designer consultant courses followed by the exam. We have the tradesperson course followed by the tradesperson exam. The idea for you guys is to make contact with us at Box Hill Institute, and we can get you into the right course. We have some other training opportunities at Box Hill Institute. We have our Advanced Diploma of Building Information Modelling. We have a Diploma in Project Management for Prefabricated Building Systems in Timber. So that's focusing on both lightweight and mass timber construction. And we also offer the Advanced Diploma of Building Design Architectural. So thank you very much. If you need more information around Passive House courses in particular, then the people to ask for are me, Susan Morris, or Irina Tamming. Okay, thank you.